Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. How are you all doing today? Guys, like I keep telling you, you can trust me to bring you the gist, updates, happenings and all the buzz happening in and out of Big Brother Zaz's house. The show has come to an end. So many persons are winning, cashing out cars. So guys, the other day Sweet Guluva was gifted a car before his homecoming, and a lot has been said about that car, but here is the truth about the car. Before I continue, guys, this is very free gist blog. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. If you are old to this channel, thank you for always stopping by. I see all you do for me, I see your comment, I see your likes, I see your share. I want to say thank you. I'm not taking it for granted. I love you all. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please now support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. And when you do so, please turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post new videos for your viewing pleasures. So guys, it's about the car that was being gifted to Sweet Guluva before his own coming. Remember, let's list those housemates that already have a car right now after the show. This season is like it's just an harvest of cars, because these housemates are cashing out cars, pulling out car on a daily basis. First of all, it was we undergot the car. Yes, we undergot the car, and it was given that car. So the fans jubilated. Before we could say any other thing again, Shimi pull out with another one. Trust me, this season is all love and light, and everybody's cashing out, winning. And Shimi pushed out the car, a very beautiful car at that, and I was like, Shimi, congratulations. And before we could say again, Nats came up with a new car. I want so sweet too, guys. I'm really happy for them. But then again, remember, Sweet Guluva was gifted a car a day before his homecoming, and that has got a lot of persons talking. They are saying it's not his car, that the car is not a dash and all of that. They are saying they rented the car. They are saying Sweet Guluva's fan rented the car for homecoming and all of that, and they are posing as if they bought the car for him. Meanwhile, it was just a rented car that they rented for his homecoming. In short, they have been dragging Sweet Guluva. So Sweet Guluva has been dragged. Even the fans, they are dragging the fans, saying they are not staying true to themselves. Guys, but let me tell you the truth about this whole thing. Let me tell you the truth about this whole thing. That car was bought for Sweet Guluva. Sweet Guluva not buy the car by himself. No, the car was being bought by someone else. It was a group of persons that actually bought that car for him. Guys, note this. That car was not rented for any homecoming. It was a gift. It was, in short, read through this picture beside. It was a gift. It was a gift to Sweet Guluva. The car was not rented, though. Guys, they did not rent the car. Disregard anywhere you see people saying they rented that car, Sweet Guluva rented the car, or the Sweet Guluva fans rented the car. Disregard, guys. Nothing like that happened. That car, they bought it for him with their money. They bought that car for Sweet Guluva with their money. Sure, you saw him flexing the car during his homecoming. That was the car him, the mom, and the friends were in the day of his homecoming, and the car looked good on him. The car looked so good on him, I must tell you guys. I'm so happy for him. The car was not rented. It's his own car, his personal car now. No this and no peace.
Ngendlela eyisimanga usihloniphile wasifundisa okuningi esifundisela abantwana bethu nansi elandelayo. Lena ke ngiphathiswe ama-sweet G's from Botswana. Sweet G's from Botswana. Angigijimise ngaze abamfishane ngiyilungiselela. Ngiyanikwazi lokho kube loud. Ngigijime ngaze abamfishane ngilungiselele lokho. Namhlanje sikela abashobo bezi kwesikhathi sobani isigodi suke entshene ifana. Nakho babuya Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, we're good.